Welcome to Combat University. Today I'm going to teach you how to defend yourself if somebody's trying to pull your wrist from the side. So watch this clip from Big Hero 6 and I'll meet you back here to go over today's lesson. Let's check it out.
Hello, sign. Care to go for a little spin? Yeah! Double spin! And that spin! Yeah!
Right! Ah! Welcome back. So for this one, we need to understand our distance. If our opponent's only about this far away, if we were to step up to our foot right here and try to kick, we can't reach him. However, if we were to step behind here, step behind our foot, and then kick, we can get to him. Step up, too far. Step behind, we hit him. So your opponent has you by the wrist. Step behind, we're going to kick right here in the stomach. Step down. From here, we're going to put a left thumb into the eye. By then, they'll let go, and we're going to hammer the face. You can also step in front, step and cross, kick, step down, thumb in the eye, hammer. One more time. Hammer. For technique number 2, you see this guy coming up, guy, gal, whatever, and they come and try to grab your wrist. As you see them reach for you, or even if you feel them just slightly touch your wrist, they're going to be close to you. So from here, you're just going to straight turn. Make sure you pull your hand away as you put a thumb in the eye. Step, turn, thumb, hammer to the face. So for this next technique, we're going to see your opponent coming up and he or her is going to try to grab your wrist. They either touch you or you see them reaching in. At this point, you're going to move your wrist away as you step into them. So you step, pull, left thumb into the eye, hammer to the face. Again, thumb to the eye, hammer. For technique number 3, we're going to make the first move. So you see the opponent coming towards us. If he's really far away, again, you can do a cross step. For this one, because he's probably going to be closer, we're just stepping up to our foot and we're side kick. Step, thumb, hammer. Last time, step up, kick. Aye. Now onto the bag. Now for technique 1 on the bag. They have us here, a little farther away. Step behind, kick. From here, thumb into the eye, hammer. Notice for this one, I had to switch sides because I'm doing it the other direction. It's always good to practice both sides if you can. Technique number 2, you're standing there and you feel them either grab your wrist or you see them moving in. You're going to pull it away as you turn, thumb to the eye, hammer. Right. Technique number 3, we see the opponent coming in, we step up, kick, step, thumb, hammer. That's it for today. Hit that like and subscribe. Go try it, and I'll meet you back here next time to go over more self-defense techniques.
Baymax.